Hi guys, so this week we're going to look at improper fractions. Improper fractions are those fractions where the numerator is greater or equal to the denominator. We're going to run through a few exercises, and if there's any misconceptions, we'll just work through them. So what we've got here are 4 quarters. So you've got a whole there that's been split up into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters equals 1 whole. Here we've got 8 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, which make 1 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, but they equal 2 wholes. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 12 quarters, and that equals 3 wholes. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 quarters. And as you can see, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4 wholes. You might see things laid out like this. So you have a number line and you're asked to complete the number line. The very first thing that you need to do is look at the intervals between the whole numbers. So from 0 to 1, you have 1, 2, 3 jumps. So that has been split into 3, or into thirds as we call it. Now that's confirmed by, if you look at 1 whole on here, that is the same as 3/3. So here would be 1/3, here would be 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3. But we know if each whole number has been split into thirds, that this is 1, 1 1/3, 2 1/3, 1 2/3. That there is going to be 2 whole numbers. Here we know the whole number is 3. You can just count on. So 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3. So this must be 9/3. You can carry on 10/3, 11/3, 12/3. 12/3. And again, you can see from on the top of this, 1, 2, 3. So the next number here is going to be 4. So because each of these whole numbers has been split into 3, the gap between them, 4, 4 and 1/3, 4 and 2/3, 4 and 3/3, which is the same as 5, 12/3, 12/3, 13/3, 14/3, 15/3. Okay,